आज हम हैं एक ऐसे फैशन डिजाइनर के साथ who's taken the industry by a storm in a very short period of time. Not only is she superbly talented, she's also extremely pretty. Nida Mahmood. Hi Nida and welcome to the show.
Hello.
Tell us more about the kind of stuff that you do, your inspirations.
I like everything which has an Indian twist. I like things around us.
But I remember that your initial collection was inspired a lot by the Indian street fashion. Like you had the kettle as the headgear.
High on chai, yes.
And yes, and now you have moved on to the Bollywood theme.
High on chai was something which I think is extremely close to my heart because it was inspired by something absolutely very simple and very basic as a cup of chai. The other collection that you're talking about, which is called the New India Bioscope Company, this actually is larger than life.
I see a lot of Indian street jewelry and accessories here. So is that your favorite place to shop from?
I think I mix things up.
Right.
I like, for example, this is very chic. It's very interesting. But would you believe I picked this up from Chandni Chowk when I was on one of my trips for my my office work. This is another one of my favorite belts. This is from my latest collection called Sarak Chhap. And I've used all this street junk, as you see. This is part of a bicycle. This is from a sewing machine. So just random junk. I love accessories, and a very important part of that is my colorful bags. And this is one of my favorite bags. This is called Vimal. This is out of my line, the new line, which is called Sarak Chhap. And this is the bag that I was telling you about, which is from High on Chai. This is one of my favorite bags. I love it. I enjoy using this bag very much. This is also one of my favorite
nice
bags.
And colorful.
I love this bag. Absolutely love it. It's called Basanti.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या
तुम्हारा
है?
नाम क्या है बसंती?
Moving on to your wardrobe, Nida, I see a lot of colors. अब मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ से शुरू करूँ.
I also don't know where to begin. Let me begin with this. This is one of my really favorite outfits. I really like it because of this bicycle print.
Right.
And this is part of one of my collections.
Come on, come on, come on. And then you walk, come on.
Tell us about this dress, Nida. What was the inspiration? What is this all about? That's an interesting print you have there.
I was experimenting and doodling and sketching with different inks and pens and everything. So it's just a tunic on which I was drawing.
I see a men's jacket here. I'm just wondering what is it doing in your wardrobe?
I don't know what to say. What's a man's jacket doing in my wardrobe?
Nida, since you don't know what a man's jacket is doing in your wardrobe, does that mean that I can take it?
By all means.
Oh, lovely. So now I actually have a Nida Mahmood jacket, which is lovely. It's all dawn inspired.
ये जो आप chairs देख रहे हैं, these are actually from, they're 50 years old by the way.
Wow.
And they're from an Art Deco theatre from heart of South Delhi.
Why is it Dawn the only movie which inspired you?
Yeah, आप इसमें ज़्यादातर Dawn देख रहे हैं, but otherwise there are a couple of other films also which I've been working on.
निदा, मेरे को यहाँ पे बहुत सारी किताबें, matches, ये सारी चीजें देखने को मिल रही हैं. I'm a little scared. Are you planning to stop designing and open a stationery shop or what?
Don't worry, I'm not doing anything of that kind. This is part of the line that we were discussing earlier.
The New India Bioscope.
Yes, and I do a lot of these small little products which, you know, all of us, everybody can be happy about owning. Everyone wants to write in a nice looking pretty notebook. So depending on the collection, I always have a line of notebooks now, and I do matches. You'd be surprised to know the number of people who collect matchboxes. And we have people coming to us asking for matchboxes.
Are you planning to supply them to like a friendly neighborhood pawn shop or something like that? I mean, why are you taking away the right of a common man?
No, I'm actually not taking away the right of the common man because these products are extremely well priced.
Really?
A set of 12 matchboxes cost you only 250 rupees.
Okay.
A notebook costs you about 350 rupees. A set of 6 coasters from these fantastic films cost you just 350 rupees. So the idea is affordable art. Art is not just meant for people who can
Have the
spend on exorbitant things, but it's meant for people, ordinary people, simple people who appreciate art. They can have versions of the art. So that's the idea behind this stationery shop.
And now, especially for our viewers, we have Nida Mahmood, the famous designer, modeling her own creation. Take it away, Nida. Nida, thank you so much. मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ for spending your time, sharing your wardrobe, your art, and your thoughts with us and our viewers.
Thank you so much for having me. It was so much fun chatting with you.
And thank you so much for this jacket. I hope you're not gonna take it back from me.
It's all yours.
Thank you. Now you can see that I own a part of Nida Mahmood's creative genius. Have a close look, guys.
अमिताभ तो बहुत क्यूट लग रहे थे निदा के इस जैकेट में.
Aditi, tell me something I don't know.
I know you always look good. तो चलिए अमित, अब जान लेते हैं क्या है जरीन खान के फैशन फंडास.
My fashion statement is all about comfort and confidence. You should wear whatever you're wearing with a lot of confidence, even if it is a pair of tracks or a pair of tracks and t-shirt. But if you wear it with confidence, you look good in it. Abroad का तो मुझे अभी तक इतना experiment करने मिला नहीं है, but Indian, I mean, I started up with Anna Singh, so she's always going to be my favorite. I always wanted to get a tattoo done, लेकिन मेरे में कभी वो हिम्मत नहीं थी. लेकिन मैंने बस एक दिन बैठी थी ऐसे ही और मैं चलो आज तो हिम्मत जुटा के मैं कर ही लेती हूँ. I just got it done. I think Angelina Jolie and Kareena Kapoor.
तो ये तो थे जरीन खान के फैशन फंडास. अमित, आप हमें ये बताओ कि आपकी फेवरेट मॉडल टर्न्ड एक्ट्रेस कौन है?
मेरी favorite model turned actress है Zeenat Aman. She's been stylish for the last 60 years, I think. I think she's 60-year-old and she's always been stylish.
और यंगर में?
Younger में I would say Sushmita Sen. उनसे भी younger में recently I would say Mugdha Godse.
मुग्धा गोडसे. Very good. Amit, thanks for joining us. I'd really like to say thanks. आपने अपना टाइम निकाला और आप हमारे यहाँ पर आए. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditi. It was a lot of fun and stay stylish.
And with this is the wrap on our show. अगले हफ्ते होगी आपसे फिर से मुलाकात. Same time, same place. Till then, goodbye and take care.